Welcome back to Casa Refined. I'm Jorge. I'm here in the office today and I have a great video for you. I'm sharing some DIY and home essentials you need to know about. These are things that are practical, on a good deal, and will be used for years to come. No BS. Let's get into it. Now this video is sponsored by Lowe's, and with their December deals drops event happening right now, it's a great time to save, stock up, maybe some last minute gift ideas. I think these are things that are at a really good deal right now. So these are not in any particular order, but I found some pieces that I think are well worth it and at a good discount right now. Tape measure sets. I think we all need more than one, especially because for anything like me, you're always measuring things around. I was actually just measuring the flooring this morning. I was like, do I need new flooring? Because I'm thinking of changing something. Anyways, I am always measuring, new furniture. Is it gonna fit? Artwork, that kind of stuff. So it's a good idea to have more than one. Have one inside the house, have one outside in the garage, in the tool box. I talk about these all the time. You've seen them throughout my videos for the past years. I've had my set for a few years and I actually just picked up another set. So this is the DeWalt 20 volt max 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit. So in the kit, you will get the drill / driver and you will get the impact driver. You will also get the 2 batteries, the charger, and of course the carrying case. Perfect for storage or taking it on the go. So I have mine over here, my old ones. I was actually just using them last night. So these are my old ones. These are at least 10, maybe 15 years old. These are really good quality. The thing about brushless is that it basically has like a better motor, and in the long run, they just will offer longevity and just perform better in general. So you definitely want to, when you go get power tools, definitely make sure they are brushless, in my opinion. These are my workhorse. I literally built my business off of these things, but I wanted to get some new ones because I think these are still good, but maybe they might be coming to the end of their lifetime. Not soon, but later on. But I wanted to just be prepared and have another set ready. It's always a good idea to have more than one. Why not? Now, if you want to be prepared for everything, you might want to get the big kit. Now, this one is on sale also. It's the 7-tool brushless power tool set, also from DeWalt. It comes with so many different things. Of course, it's got the drill, impact driver, circular saw. By the way, I also have the circular saw. Really great quality. It's got the reciprocating saw, the oscillating multi-tool, which I think I need to get one of those. The orbital sander, which I absolutely love. You'll probably see this in an upcoming video, but the other day I was outdoors sanding a furniture piece. I actually have it right here. Number 1, sanding. Already in a bad mood because I hate sanding, but it's needed sometimes. But number 2, it was the windiest day possible. Windy. Like it was getting everywhere, the little dust, even with the mask. It was just not a good day. And then number 3, I was in a time crunch. I was a bit behind, so I had to get it done and I pushed through. Thank goodness that I had a cordless orbital sander, because if I had to deal with a cable, especially with the wind and all that, like I pray for the neighbors, pray for outdoors. You also get the 20 volt max AH batteries, a charger, and of course the carrying bag, the contractor bag. Now I have a pneumatic brad nailer and it's great, but it can be kind of annoying, with the big compressor. It's heavy, having to lug that around, and then of course the air hose. It's kind of inconvenient, but I think I might get one of these. This is the Metabo 18 gauge cordless straight brad nailer. I think this is their #1 best seller. It has some great reviews. It comes with, of course, the brad nailer. Also comes with the battery and charger. I think this would make projects around the house less intimidating and just much easier and efficient. The Craftsman 6-gallon portable electric 150 psi pancake air compressor is on sale for $99, which is a great deal. This is a Craftsman, by the way. It's $169 regular price, but $99, not bad at all. If your workstation, your garage is a bit chaotic, organize it and use one of these Craftsman 200 series drawer steel rolling tool cabinet. Regular price is $539, but right now $399. Comes in 2 colors. There's the red, the black. I personally like the black. Aluminum ladder by Werner is great. It's got 250 pound capacity. It's on sale half price. Regular price is $99. Right now it's $49. Okay, next up we have lighting. Oh, this is a really good one. Actually, I think I have the box. Hold on. Okay, still got the box. So lighting. Lighting is very important, of course, but not all light bulbs are created equally. Now in architecture school, I took a lighting course and I learned about CRI. CRI stands for color rendering index, where it's a scale from 0 to 100. 100 being the most vibrant color that you are seeing, which is the sun basically. So whatever you see in sunlight, that color, that is the most vibrant color that you will see with that lighting. Now light bulbs, of course, all light bulbs have like a rating. This brand right here, Cree Lighting, has high rating. So this is like a 90+ rating, which is really good. So that means the colors that you see with these light bulbs is like more vibrant. And the thing about lighting is important, is especially since we're moving into these winter months, we're using light bulbs more, just more in the dark. We want to make sure that we are lighting our spaces properly. We want, especially when we're considering things like artwork, you know, in this channel, I'm focused on home decor and such. So I want to make sure that the lighting is rendered properly, good colors. Like a beige with bad lighting could look sort of purplish. It could have an awful color. It can look dull. So we want things to look vibrant. This brand does a good job, and they are on sale right now. Now I use the soft white throughout my home, which is 2700 Kelvin. But the ones that's on sale right now, normally it's a higher price, but it's the switchable white. So these bulbs, you can adjust the color temperature. These are on sale for $9.98. You get a 4-pack. I want to put lighting under the kitchen cabinets, and I think I might get these. These have an excellent rating. These are the Utilitech LED 2-pack, 12-inch rechargeable batteries. These LED under cabinets are motion censored, so you can just stick them right on. And then I think the battery lasts quite a bit of time from what I'm reading. Ceiling fans. Ceiling fans are not attractive in my opinion, but they are often necessary. And if you live in a space where you need a ceiling fan, get one that's attractive. And I've actually written some blog posts over the years, and these two are actually some of the best sellers that I have recommended and people always buy. And I see this in the analytics. This is the Minka Ide Light Wave. This ceiling fixture just has a more sculptural, more minimalist look. It comes in a few different finishes, of course different sizes depending on how big you need, but I really like the look of this one in general. It just feels clean. If you also looking for something simple, minimal, and elegant, maybe consider this other version that they have. This one has the sort of a propeller look. I really like the soft brass finish, but you can also get it in black. You can get it in white. It's just a really good one. Okay, the Blink Outdoor Wireless Cameras system is still on sale right now, $119. Regular price is $299. So this is over 50% off. I have this system. I absolutely love it. It does a great job. Definitely get the right batteries, because I was putting the wrong batteries and I was going through them like crazy. I think you got to use the lithium, not alkaline, lithium. If you have a garage but don't have a garage door opener, definitely get a garage door opener. It makes life so much easier. I actually got this one on sale on Black Friday, and I actually just had it installed last week. I had to reschedule because I had to get an extender because my doors are a little bit larger than average. Anyways, nobody cares, but this is a good one. It's a very popular one, $179. Overall, I feel like appliances are just more personal in general. So whatever your budget is, whatever your preferred style, definitely go through the website and see what you can find. I know that there are, there's like a bundle event. So if you bundle more, you save more. The Maytag top load washer with the agitator is on sale. I have this one. It's not the most attractive set, but it gets the job done. It really, this one will do. But if you want something a little bit fancier, maybe the Samsung stackable front load washer. Even more attractive in my opinion are these. These are so cool. It's got the brushed black effect and kind of like a copper tone. Totally random. My parents absolutely love these. They've had these for like the past few years. Whenever we go camping or like go to the park or something, or even we're just like hanging out in the yard, they always got to bring this with them. They love this thing. You can like recline back. You can just use it as a chair. It's got the little pillow if you want to do just a little retreat. I don't know. My parents swear by these things. I'm not into grilling or any of that, but I know a lot of people are into Blackstone, and the Blackstone 36-inch culinary omnivore griddle is on sale for $449. I think this is Lowe's exclusive, so I would encourage you to check this one out if you're looking to get one of these. I see a lot of people using these to cook breakfast. You can do a whole breakfast buffet or something. I don't know. Whatever you use these for, use them. This is a good deal. Now, I go to the gym, but if I were to have a home gym, I would definitely be getting one of these. This is the NordiTrack 2025 commercial foldable treadmill. It's got the incline. Yo, I would encourage you to go at an incline. You don't need to go like a crazy speed. I haven't ran in the past 15 years. I only go on an uphill incline on the treadmill for about 15 minutes at least. Nothing crazy, maybe 30 if I'm feeling crazy, but 15 minutes is perfectly fine. Anyways, just a couple of deals that are happening right now at Lowe's. Again, these are just really great things that I think you should maybe consider. Maybe some last minute gift ideas if you're looking for some gifts, or just little investment pieces that you will cherish, use for years to come. A special thanks to Lowe's for sponsoring this video. Again, I will link everything in the description. You can tap, shop, pick up in store if you need something in a hurry, or maybe just ship to your home if you have no time crunch. Very well then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.